Enjoy your Starbucks coffee. So we have here the remaining money. So we have 1,200. And we 1,310. So you received today, right? How much? Ubek. Rachel Sam, you received Ubek?
Yes, yes. So,
Kinsay wala, see?
Cyrene.
Shireen. So Shireen, you have 500 from the remaining money from Mujiginim.
Mujiginim.
So also the 500 is mine. So Rexu, 200 for you. Mujiginim. And Teacher Gretchen, 110 for you.
Kamsahamnida, Mujiginim.
Mujiginim, kamsahamnida.